What's up, you guys? Today we are finally going to be doing the fuel injectors on the C63 AMG. Oh my god, it is windy. Yes. Nice little start. Cold start slash warm start. Alright, let's jump into the car. Jesus, that's windy. That's kind of annoying. My god, it's hot. Wow, 37.5 degrees. Whew. Anyways, perfect amount of fuel to do the fuel injectors, so we have not a crazy amount of fuel to deal with. Obviously it's still under pressure, so that really would make a difference, but still always nice to have a little bit less fuel when you're dealing with something so sensitive as fuel system and fuel injectors. All right, let's go and start disassembling everything, and hopefully we'll be successful in replacing them. Where are they? Oh great, I locked it. Yeah, they're inside there. Let's go get them replaced. Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, we got the tools. Mr. Gentleman Thomas is going to be here in just any moment. Obviously the fuel injectors are all underneath everything, so I'm going to be handy dandy and start disassembling everything for him. And once we get to the fuel aspect of it, he'll take over, because I ain't messing with fuel. No way. That's the limitations of my capabilities. So let's get all this taken. Oh my god, it's really good. Alrighty then, guys, I've disassembled more or less all the stuff. Just got to get this thing out, but I'm not too familiar with how the clip in the back works, so I don't want to break it. But yeah, that's the fuel rail, and then let's get that out, and then we just got to get the fuel injectors out. They're right underneath the rail. Just got to unplug that sensor and then the fuel line from right there. Alright, let's do it. Injector and rail out. Gotta clean all the ports. And surprisingly, all the injectors are relatively clean. Just a little bit of carbon on them, on some of them, but if you really look close, they're actually in good shape. Pretty good shape. There, that's the best picture. No deposits on the front of them, at least on a few. This one a little bit. But yeah, that's gonna get some nice brand new fuel spray. Hell yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, a car repair would not be full without Wendy's and food. Hell yeah. Gotta take a little break. Alright, and the old injectors, yeah, the old injectors are in the boxes. Got them all replaced, got some grease, got brand new injectors. All the ports are clean. Alright, let's get everything reassembled and hopefully start the car. Let's do it. And just like that, everything is reassembled, reconnected, got fuel, got sensors, swapped the coils too because of a problem that we know about. Alright, here we go. Come on, car. Start! Didn't even sputter. A little bit, it was like, and then yeah. Nice.
We're good.
We're good. Hell yeah. Boom. How to replace injectors on a C63 AMG. Alright, let's go for a drive. Let's go home. I think it's time. Okay guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.